I have here the Infinix HOT 12 with the not so squared off design and an attractive back. Now this is equipped with a Helio G85, meaning you can easily compare this to phones like the Camera 19, the Motorola G31 and the Infinix HOT 10. Okay, other things in the box are a car care card, a casing, some cash. Okay, no, that is an X Club X1 Gold card, which welcomes you to X Club, and some stickers and more cards. Then we have the earplugs, an 18 watts power brick, and a Type C charging cable. Finally, we have a flat back design and a good looking camera layout, but more on that later. Fingerprint on the right side with the volume key as well as the power button infused with the fingerprint sensor. We also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and yeah, this has a Type C for charging. This is rocking a 1080p 6.9-inch screen size, but it is quite easy for me to handle. But if you have smaller palms, keep in mind that this is going to be a two-handed operation. This makes better for consuming content, and one of the few benefits of the LCD of having an LCD display is you have the high contrast, the consistent brightness, and also energy efficient. So no matter how long your screen on time is, you are sure to enjoy your battery. Now if you want to save yourself more battery, you can turn off the 90Hz refresh rate and set it to auto. If you're like me and you like things moving fast, you can go to the display settings, scroll down, click on the ultra touch, change the speed of scrolling and motion to ultra fast and fast. The Infinix HOT 12 is equipped with 3 lenses. Through all of the modes, I realized that the Infinix HOT 12 only uses or utilizes the 13 megapixel f1.8 wide lens for basically everything. I don't know why the extra cameras, but if you guys know why we have an extra camera, please leave a comment down below, or what those other cameras does. Now the video department has features you might love. You can turn on the bokeh to set your subject from the background, and you can shoot anything from 720p to 2K, all at 30 frames per second, meaning no slow motion. Fully charged, the Infinix HOT 12 will get you through the day no problem. You can get this from 0 to 50 in less than 40 minutes with the 18 watts power brick provided in the box. And in a case where you cannot get to a charger as much as you would like, the ultra power mode comes in handy. This gives you access to just calls, message and calendar, and I wish it has more customization. One of my favorite features on the Infinix HOT 12 has to be the tap to wake. I personally do not like clicking on my power button to wake up my device all the time. So yeah, that's cool. And also one cool thing is the LED indicator coming on while charging. Yeah, it's from 5 years ago, but I like it. And one extra cool thing is if you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. The Infinix HOT 12 is running the Android 12, featuring the XOS version 10.6.0. It has 4 gigs of RAM with 128 storage space. Now with memory fusion, you can bump up that 4 gig of RAM up to 7 gig. Other security features are the app lock, which does exactly what the name implies. It lets you lock specific app with specific patterns or password, should you choose. Theft alert makes a loud beep when your charger or earphone is unplugged. Then the emergency mode, which is my favorite, lets you send an SOS to a contact of your choosing by clicking the power button 5 times or when your battery is low. Cool, right? Other features include the smart panel tasks like screenshot, screen recording, and a few apps, and it's heavily customizable. We also have the social turbo, the game mode, the X clone, which lets you clone other apps, the video assistant, and the gesture controls, which is where you have the tap to wake features and a whole lot more. The Helio G85 is a gaming-centric chipset, so the gaming part of the HOT 12 did not disappoint. COD, which is an A-list game, ran as smooth as expected of a budget gaming device. Now all of this is going for 96,000 naira depending on where you're buying from, and I think so far this is the best device from Infinix. That's the Infinix HOT lineup. Although I hope that next year it comes equipped with a better back cover, because this is a huge fingerprint magnet, probably something matte. I hope you keep this in mind before buying this, and if you have bought this, I would love to hear your thoughts on how the phone has performed so far and let other people learn from your experience. So if you enjoyed this video in any way, consider hitting the like button and also subscribe for more. This is Tech Mayor. I'll see you in the next one.